Hi everyone, this is Caroline at Thought Farmer talking to you today about our new page header designs as part of Thought Farmer 10.7. And we'll dive right into it. I'm going to, on our demo site here, click on this updated strategic vision news post. And this looks like any old news post that you are probably used to. We see the body of the page is the news article, and then at the top we have our nice page header. Page header, again, is a section of the page that contains information about the page, the title, the owner, the poster, those kinds of things. It also is an opportunity to add a color block or a nice image as a branding element and to make the page more engaging. What you're seeing here is our classic page header design, one that you are used to. We already see one difference though, right? We can see that some of the icons on the page, more specifically the social icons and the sharing icons, have been taken out of the page header and into the area underneath. The same happens for the edit and the add button. We decided to do this because sometimes, and you can see that in this example, the title of the page, as well as those icons that used to be up here, can become less legible if depending on the kind of image that you are using. Like right here, we have some white font for the title. The image itself is quite light and has different grades of beige and white, and it's not working optimally with the title. We find it hard to read. So by taking out these icons, at the very least, we ensure that every single page will have a clear series of page actions that can be muddled by the image or the color block. Now let's take a look at some of the new alternative display options that might work better for this specific page with its image. Anytime you want to edit an existing page's page header, you are going to click on Edit, and you'll see that there is I believe this was a pencil icon before, it's been replaced by a gear icon. If you click this, you'll see that a panel slides in from the right with some extra options for your page header. The one that you see here, the classic one, like I said, once you upgrade your site, all of your page headers are going to continue to have that classic design, but you'll now have an option to choose any of the other ones down here if you choose. I'll mention as well that one thing that's different with our familiar page header design is that you can now change the color of the font in your title. By default, it's set as black or white, but if I wanted to, I can click here on the color picker and select any color that I like that might work well with my image or with my color block. If you know the HTML code, you can also directly insert that here. The next option is very similar. It's an image option where the title is pulled out of the page header area as well. So this actually works quite nicely for this specific page. We can let the image shine and we can still make sure that that title is very legible. These are the two options that allow you to choose an image with title overlay or image with title separate. The next two are not included with images. For the line option, you can choose from 4 different colors that will place a subtle color accent line at the top of your page. The colors that you see here, they can be solid colors or they can be gradients, and they will be the ones that you have set as your page header options in the admin panel's theme area, right? So it's a little more subtle. And then last but not least, you can also go for less. Less is more. So if you select none, then you'll see that there will be no page header at all. No color block, no image block. So 4 different options to choose from. You can mix and match your pages as much as you like. So every single page on your internet can be customized and have its own type of page header, much like the page header is customizable already today on your Thought Farmer site. If I wanted to go back to what I started with, I can just click on Reset Page Header to Caroline de Kiersmaker's original page, and then it goes right back where I started. I am going to cancel out of this place now, and we'll talk a little bit more about the inheritance. I just mentioned this briefly, but what happens with page headers, much like in the past, is when you have a page that has a specific type of page header, specific image, a specific design, whenever you add a new page underneath, that page will adopt the same page header design, the same page header image or color. That is the default way. Of course, you can always, like I said, go into the edit, the gear icon here, and customize what this will look like for the new page that you are creating. If you have an image already on a page, you're editing it and you'd like to replace it, you'll see a preview of the image here. Just click on replace, and then that will allow you to either select one of your theme color blocks, or you can upload an additional image, or of course search Unsplash to find any additional images that might work better for your specific page. And that is everything that we wanted to show you today for page headers and the new designs. I hope you like what you see and are excited about all the new customizing capabilities in ThoughtFarmer 10.7. We hope you enjoy, and do let us know if you have any questions.